Hai teman-teman, selamat siang. Apa kabar kalian semuanya? Semoga dalam keadaan sehat ya, dimanapun kalian berada. Oke, jadi hari ini aku update dan aku akan mengajak kalian jalan-jalan ke suatu tempat. Nanti aku kasih lihat kalian di mana kita akan pergi, oke? Oke, jadi sekarang udah mulai dingin, udah musim gugur sekarang. Seperti kalian lihat, daun-daunnya udah mulai kekuningan, orange, dan red. Coba kalian lihat, cantik banget kan? Oke, kita sudah sampai. Jadi kalau mau masuk di tempat labu-labu ini, kita free. Tapi kalau mau masuk ke wahana lain itu dibayar sekitar itu $14, sama pajak sekitar $18, $19.
Yes, we have one.
Oke teman-teman, jadi pumpkin ini kalian bisa bayar terus bawa pulang. Tapi kebanyakan datang ke sini, orang-orang yang datang ke sini itu untuk ambil foto doang atau jalan-jalan. Itu kan ada orang yang beli juga.
To go through the maze.
What is maze?
There's a maze. Yeah, where's corn maze? Go through here.
Let's go there.
It's scary.
Oh, that's the movie.
Yeah, Children of the Corn.
Yeah.
So there you get
That's a horror movie. That guy come out from the
yeah.
right. What you know about it?
Put your face in there. Take a picture. Okay, go. Which one you gonna go? Yeah, you're a witch. That works.
Oh my gosh. Look where I am right now.
Hello. Good boy.
Basta bunga mata.
How many you got?
We're going to buy pumpkin pie. Nice smell. That's the pumpkin pie.
You like that one? That's pumpkin butter. You guys get everybody take a pumpkin pie or no more left. Pecan pie. Not pecan. I think that's pumpkin butter. It's only a small one. You want a small one? It's the last one left. There's more. Where? That's pecan. And that's chocolate pecan. I don't know what you got. We'll get this one or no? Yeah? Oh, there you go. Oh, we got chocolate brownie.
Nice.
That's awesome. Totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Can we come over? Pardon? Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, we got our pumpkin pie.
thought they didn't have any time.
Oke teman-teman, jadi ini next video aku jalan-jalan ke air terjun Niagara dan sekarang kita udah di hotel. Jadi teman aku bayarnya agak mahal mungkin karena weekend dan ini juga daerah turis jadi agak mahal. Jadi dia bayarnya sekitar 250 udah sama tax ya teman-teman. Di sini tuh apa-apa semua bayar tax ya. Padahal kalau mau lihat tuh kamarnya biasa aja. Jadi tempat tidurnya 2 aku sama teman aku. Oke, sekarang waktunya kita jalan-jalan teman-teman. Aku akan ngajak kalian ke Niagara Falls dan ini di jalan raya di pusat kotanya ya teman-teman. Tuh toko-toko, restoran, ada kasino juga di sini. Ya sibuk banget di sini tuh, selalu macet kalau weekend. Kita sekarang sudah di Niagara Falls. Kita sudah beli tiket dan satu orang itu harganya 29.90 sen kalau nggak salah. Ada 2 tiket, ada yang satu lebih mahal lagi tapi aku nggak beli. Kemahalan. Oh, pemandangannya bagus banget kayak lukisan gitu. Oh my god.
Can you do it at the same time? Jackson.
Like in the bushes have a cannon.
Hold it. Where? Video? Oh, wow.
Welcome aboard Hornblower Niagara Funicular. Please listen carefully to this brief safety announcement. Please stand clear of the doors and do not lean on any of the glass walls. As the funicular car begins and finishes moving, there may be a slight problem. Please use the handrails if necessary. We appreciate everyone being respectful of the priority seating available for those in need. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the exciting Hornblower Niagara Funicular. Look around, as we are now entering the Niagara Gorge, sometimes referred to as the Great Gorge. The Niagara River, and now Niagara Falls as we know it, is a legacy of the last ice age, dating back close to 18,000 years ago, when the entire area was covered in ice sheets 2 to 3 kilometers thick. Share your experiences with us on your social media posts using hashtag #InTheMist. Once again, we hope you enjoy your experience at Hornblower Niagara Cruises. Please stand clear of the doors and watch your step as you exit the funicular.
And we go all the way against the wall. We live against the wall. Let me get out right here. Get out here.
Stay closer, I'm gonna get your leash out.
Oh, that way. Oh, that one don't open?
That's so funny. It's a leaf one. It's like a train trail. Oh, they're taking a picture. Taking a picture.
It happens. 1, 2, 3. By yourself?
Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Buy tickets. Hold on.
Tickets, I need your tickets.
shower.